Well, hello sunshine. I just got home. Dinala ko si Ting Ting due for a haircut. Siyempre, I'm wearing my pickleball shirt. Same as like a batingting. And shout out, baka naman meron pa uli. Actually, type ko yung pickleball shirt na bagong bigay sa kanila. Na yellow and I think gray ba yun? But anyways, I am here to show you. Kasi when I was in the Philippines, kasama ko diba mga Marites. And kasama ko rin si Heart. And sabi niya, kailangan niya ng phone stand. Ting! Will you stop? Naluka na naman siya, nagtatahulan na naman yung mga kapitbahay namin. Feeling niya siya may-ari nitong buong kabahayan, di ba? So, yun nga, binigay ko kay Heart yung isa kong craft cake. It was a present from my cousin Victoria. Kaya, I ordered me another one. Tinanong ko, ay, hindi baligtad. But it's craft geek. Like mag stand. Maganda siya. Ayan, ganyan yung itsura niya. And the height, it goes up to, I think mataas to eh. But anyways, it will show ang height niya. There's another one, mas mahal siya, pero okay na ako nito kasi ito yung katulad sa ng dati ko that I gave to. Actually, ang ganda ng color niya oh. Yung niregalo sa akin, it's black. Pero ang ganda pala ng white. Yung isang much higher, tong pinipress na to, parang naka-protrude siya. So you just tap it like that and it will open. So ayan, this is where you put your phone. So it can be standing up, it can be like yung horizontal. And the good thing about this, may libre. The good thing about this, ito guys, kung mahilig ka mag-selfie, which I'm not kasi conscious ako. Ignore na lang po ang ating kuko at tinatamad pa ako pumunta sa salon. Look, it comes with a remote control. Ganda, no? Ganda ng kanyang But I think you still need to charge it. How do you say it? To activate this, you have to turn on your Bluetooth and then, nga. So, ang ganda niya. Craft Cake is the name. And it comes with ito yung charger niya. There's a charger and also like, of course, ako naman ako mahilig magbasa ng mga ganitong pero it comes with instruction on how to use it, how to take care of it. It's in English and there's Chinese, Japanese, and Spanish. So it is, pag wala naman if your language is not in here, just ask Google and ask like AI to translate. And then it came, if you don't have anything magnetic on your phone, I guess you can use it. Ang mga casing naman ngayon ng mga iPhone, it comes with like the magnet itself, so you don't need this. Pero tabi na lang natin. Mahilig ako magtabi ng mga kung ano-ano eh. So, tatabi natin yan. So, today is my day off. And of course, siningit kong mapagupitan si Tig because mukha na siyang ermitanya. Bruha na nga, mas lalo pa nagmukhang bruha. While waiting, nagpunta ako ng Sam's because wala na kami. Maglalaba ako today. It's my Ting! It's my wash day today. Wala na kaming sabon. Tsaka, I really like, pag naglalaba ko, I like to have that, yung Downy Unstoppable. Kasi ang bang-bang ng shirt niya. Kahit pinawisan ka na. So, baka naman uli, ang aking pickleball shirt. Let me go. Sorry, stand up. Ito ang pickleball shirt na galing kay Brenda. I love it so much. Kahit napawisan ako, dry fit kasi siya. So, model tayo pag may time. Diba? So, that's all for now. And I am suggesting this. Go buy it. It's really good. And you just press it, the middle. It opens up. There's a faster way probably to do it. So you can use it like dyan ka lang while you're like, doing like a video recording, but it extends up. Ay, hindi ko alam kung ilang inches. So 64 inches yata ito. There you go. And then, of course, kung vlogger ka and then you're going like cooking, dyan mo lang and then you put it on the table so you can take a video of whatever you're cutting or cooking. So this is Craft Geek. I don't know, I asked Rachel if we have this in the Philippines. So tinignan niya sa Shopee, sa Lazada. I guess wala dyan. So, pag nanalo ko sa loto, bibilang ko kayong lahat. Pag nanalo sa loto, ayan. That's how it looks like. Gandang-ganda ako talaga dun sa bigay sa akin ng pinsan ko eh. Yung kulay black. My cousin Victoria. So ganyan, it's so secure. Very secure. And then, I guess, pagka i-push mo lang siya down. And, here, this way. Ayan. To fold it back again. Kaya, it's a, ganda sana kung medyo maliit, but, of course, pagka it's like smaller, it's limited. Like yung probably yung extension niya. And the good thing about this, kaya nagustuhan ni Heart, tong round thing is a magnetic thing. So when you attach your phone, secure talaga siya. Kaya pwedeng on the go. Like, hi! Well, hello sunshine! Welcome to my vlog! So ganyan, maganda. Ganda niya. So yun lang. And so last night while I was in between like, nag-work ako, I was also cleaning up with all my like kalat sa kwarto, like mostly it's like paperworks. And then but I am trying to build yung utang ko na balikbayan box para sa mga marites. I have not forgotten, but you can rest assured na hopefully within this year matapos ko yung mga boxes. Kaya pasensya na po, humingi ako ng pasensya being things might not turn out as you plan it. Kaya mas maganda pa yung yung pag-uwi ko ng Philippines. Mas mainam pa diba na nakauwi ako ng biglaan. Kasi pag pinaplano, parang daming mga parang pumipigil pa. So mas maganda pa yung surprise. So you'll never know, baka mamaya within this year matapos ko yung mga boxes. And shoutout kay Jenkel, ang butihing secretary ng ating the International Marites, because in spite of like my busy schedule, she still works with me on and off, pero pagka nag-ako sa kanya, nag-message ako sa kanya, my God, sasagot siya agad. So, thank you so much, Jenkel. And of course, don't forget to follow Heart, Steve, Precious yata ang niya. And of course, si Jenkel. And among other things, si Ate May, si Sis Dai, Rowena Florida Vlog, and marami pa. Natutuwa nga ako pag nakikita ko kayo. Yung mga, kung sino pa yung mga baguhan na consistently nagpo-post, and kahit ano i-post niyo, you'll see you're gonna, maliit man o malaki, just enjoy it, and wag nang ma-stress kung hindi kumita ang ano man pinopost niyo. So that's it for now, and hope to see you guys till my next vlog. I love you all madami. Mwah!